If you're looking for Coursera AI courses ranked from best to best for beginners and professionals alike, you're in the right place. With thousands of AI courses available, choosing the right one can be difficult, so today we're ranking the top 3 based on ratings, reviews, popularity, certification value, and the reputation of the organizations behind them. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Coming in at number 3 is Google Introduction to AI. This beginner-friendly course introduces the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, responsible AI, and how businesses are using AI today. It's easy to follow, highly rated, and backed by Google, making it an excellent first step for anyone new to AI. At number 2 is AI Foundations for Everyone by IBM. This specialization goes beyond the basics by covering generative AI, prompt engineering, AI workflows, and practical AI tools. It's one of the most popular beginner AI learning paths on Coursera and offers a valuable certificate from IBM. Taking the number 1 spot is AI for Everyone by DeepLearning.ai, created by Andrew Ng. With outstanding ratings and more than 50,000 learner reviews, it's consistently one of the highest-ranked AI courses on Coursera. The course explains what AI can and cannot do, how organizations use it, and why AI is transforming nearly every industry. Best of all, no programming experience is required. If you want to complete more than one of these courses, purchasing them individually can quickly become expensive. That's why many learners choose Coursera Plus instead. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, bringing the price down from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top providers like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and leading universities. You'll also earn certificates for eligible courses at no additional cost. If you're planning to build AI skills in 2026, Coursera Plus is one of the smartest investments because it lets you explore multiple AI courses without paying for each one separately. If you found this ranking helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.